Hey everyone. Today we're diving into the frequently asked questions about Devin AI, the groundbreaking software changing the game in coding. Let's get started. Will Devin replace programmers? Absolutely not. Devin isn't here to take jobs, but to work alongside humans. It handles everyday coding tasks, freeing up human programmers to tackle more complex challenges and unleash their creativity. So who's behind Devin AI? It's the brainchild of Cognition, a company founded by Scott Wu. Filled with brilliant minds passionate about AI, they've created Devin to revolutionize software development. Will coding become obsolete? Not a chance. While AI like Devin can automate certain coding tasks, humans will always be needed for the creative and challenging aspects. The future? It's all about humans and AI collaborating, leveraging each other's strengths. Ever heard of Vital? In 2014, Deep Knowledge Ventures shook things up by appointing an AI system to its board. While not a traditional CEO, Vital played a significant role in decision-making, marking a historic moment in AI. Now, who's the godfather of AI? John McCarthy takes the title for coining the term artificial intelligence in 1955. He pioneered the field, laying the groundwork for everything we see today. In conclusion, Devin AI is a game changer. It's the first AI capable of performing a software engineer's tasks independently, speeding up development, fostering new collaboration methods, and even making coding more accessible. So, why is Devin such a big deal? Firstly, it accelerates work, allowing humans to focus on innovation. Secondly, it fosters innovative collaboration. Thirdly, it speeds up software development. Fourthly, it makes coding more accessible to everyone. And lastly, it's reshaping the job landscape, offering new opportunities for AI-savvy individuals. Devin's emergence as a fully capable software engineer is thrilling, promising a future where technology creation is more efficient and inclusive. While there are concerns about job changes, Devin brings tremendous benefits, paving the way for exciting possibilities in the world of software development. And that's a wrap on our Devin AI FAQs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.